Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How you doing, guys? Oh, the cover is still on the webcam. So, another episode of those perks from Aliexpress, what I'm buying as tools and what is worth to buy or maybe what is. So, there was this promotion. I'll show you first items, okay? This is called Choice by Aliexpress, and you've got really cheap items. Yes, at Choice you pay for £6.11. You'll see on the prices. Yes, so now this one is if you want to spray something, you get Coca-Cola or other bottle. Yes, screw it in, then you can pump the air and then you can spray it with it. I'll see how robust it is. If I'll see any obstacles with it, at the next video I'll comment it. Yes, so those perks videos will be coming up. I won't have many of them because I bought most of what I wanted, but every so often I will be doing them. So this was together with that £6.11, and it's a 5x3. And what I want is special box only for the HDMI ports and for the HDMI encoders, because we've got ports from Xboxes and PlayStation mostly. Yes, so Xbox 360, One, 1S, 1X, then you've got Series S and Series X. Yeah, so you've got 6 ports. Then again, on top of those 6 ports, you've got PS. Yes, I don't stock for PS3 actually nowadays. I might buy it actually, but you know, I don't stock it. But I've got PS4 Fat, PS4 Slim, PS4 Pro, PS5. So you've got 10 ports. Yes, as well. And then the most encoders, HDMI encoders I'm using are for PS4 Slim for PS4 Fat. I don't do a lot of pros, so I don't stock PS4 Pro encoder, and I don't know if that's the same with those ones. I don't know if I ever replaced it. But then those two, then you've got more use for 1S, 1X, and then you've got 6-to-1M chip for Series S and Series X. Yes, so those are the needing one. So you see you've got quite a few. It's about 15, so that will fit into this box. But yes, but I've got it in the bigger box over there. Now I can have it easy accessible and only HDMI ports and encoders. So I wanted to have one box. Now this one, yes, this one is to open displays in the phones and tablets. And I thought how hard it will be, you know, for it. Is it good, you know, because it's, you know, that's, you know, yes. See, it doesn't look that robust, yes. But look, I've got time to go, but I 5 minutes still okay. So now I've connected those two, grab them, yes. And now I'm pressing. Look, I can't press it anymore with 2 fingers. Whoa, yes, so you see it's really strong. I would say it should be robust enough for fit the purpose. Yes, I would say, because that's really, I don't use that much pressure when I'm using the manual one when I'm taking out the screen. So I would say it's, you know, it's nice for £6.11. Having those 3 items, I would say it's a good deal. Yes, and so that's it. And then I've got this, and we will talk about it lastly. I'll show you the screen first so you can see. Okay, you can see those items. $2.99, and $2.99. I should pay for it, you know, like almost £9, but I paid £6.11 because of the choice. So that was, you know, that was really good. Yes, now more items are waiting, but I've got one more, and one item didn't come. Look, it's order being returned, whereas those ones were as well for Inte.Team. Yes, and they weren't returned. So hopefully that one will be caught by my post office as well, and that can come back. So okay, so here we've got 1 terabyte. Look, this hard drive. So I confirmed the receipt. Voila. So that's the last order from the private account, and 1 terabyte. They want now £30 and 18 plus VAT, so that would be £36 if I would go and I would get it. Yes, whereas you've seen how much I paid 33 and 13, so you know it's a bit cheaper. That has a there is no capacitance here, but I wanted to, yeah, ratings 550 and 500. I'll check and we will see if that's the case, because 1 terabyte, you know, 1 terabyte in that price, it's super cheap. I'm just wondering, you know, like how robust it will be. I haven't opened it yet as well. I don't know what controller is used. Could actually do it quickly. How much time do I have? Okay, still get time. I don't expect to return it. If it's broken, it's broken. It's cheap. So yeah, hopefully they haven't cheated. I don't know what controller, and I would like to know this. Okay, here's a bit different design than we had in the previous one, the football edition, back and the front. So let's switch underneath. I've got a problem over there, meant to be only HDMI port in the PS5, and it turns out to be encoder faulty, so that's not nice. Okay, let's switch to the scope. Oh, that has a zoom. No need for a zoom. SM2259 ex.T2G. Okay, that's fine. Now memories. Ooh, SanDisk. Oh, that has SanDisk memories. Good to know. And maybe with the light better. Yeah, the light is better. IT00 Malaysia 60524. Okay, so this one is well better. No, this one is better without the light. Okay, so we see what are the chipsets. Not a lot of components, golden tips here, well, outside. One coil, so singular power supply for it. Oh no, there are smaller here as well. Smaller, this one, 0 ohm resistor. Okay, LEDs as well hidden inside. Okay, nothing interesting on this side. So okay, and there is a 50 megahertz in this one. Quartz. Yes, 50 megahertz quartz. So that's it, guys. I don't know if it's working or not. I'll be testing the speed. We will know. If there was any issues with it, you'll have a pinned post with my comment on that. I do believe that will be fine. They are usually fine. There are dodgy ones. You can buy dodgy drives, so don't buy the cheapest ones, because when you buy the cheapest ones, expect problems, especially when there is no comments after purchase. So, you know, too cheap, too good. Or you buy SD cards and you see that people are saying, oh, I can only put X amount data on it. Yeah, because that's cheating. But this is quite reasonable to pay, and this was a bit dear, I think. This one is a bit cheaper, or they have similar price. You know, now I've got two drives for the customer, one for my computer. I've got already Ubuntu installed, and that's it in this episode, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm going out because I need to go out, and see you in the next video. If you did like the video, leave us a like button, and I'll comment if I'll see any issues with those devices. I'll pin the post and I'll comment if they are not really good, yes, because I will be using them, so I'll know if they are good or not. And this one probably I'll give to Alan to test, because Alan is helping me nowadays with phones, so I don't have to deal with phone repairs. So I will give him, because he can test it quicker than I do. So he will get back to me, I'll get back to you guys. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video. If you did like, here's likes to you.